Growing up for me was, I moved around a lot, and at the age of 17, I moved to the US on my own. I had to work, I had to provide for myself. So I went to school, night school, and I learned to speak English. But once I learned the language, I dropped out of school to get a job. A few years later, after I met my husband, I decided, let me give this thing a chance again. And I tried going back to school, took the classes, took the test, and failed by 2 points. So then I got really discouraged, and life just got in the way, had to make ends meet and everything, and then I had children. When I called Fairfield Ed to sign up for night classes, they had told me that they no longer do adult education. They said that I might be a good fit for the NEDP program, and that it was offered here at the Mercy Learning Center. I chose to do this program because it was flexible, it fit my schedule, and I knew that with the NEDP program, it was more of the life skill set, and that I would be able to take the course and pass and not have to worry about taking a huge test at the end of it. Because I always struggled with math so much, I was able to get it, and that was really enjoyable. I also enjoyed being able to come into the lab and work whenever you had a chance. To be able to open a program and finish that one and have time in between. The people here are just so welcoming and helpful, and you just never feel alone. So having that community really was my favorite part. I just felt so accomplished, and there was a sense of pride to know, not just for myself, but for my children as well, to say, here, you're never too late to achieve your goals, and you're never too old to go back to school, and it was amazing. Right now, I am the director of Christian education. I work part-time, and I run the Sunday school program. My next goal is to get a college degree in either communications or Christian education to further my career.